we fantasize a lot of time about living our lives over again. Boy, if only I could go back. But we fantasize about it in order to change things. This time I'd do it right. This time I'd go out with that person, not with that person. I'd show up to this. I would work harder. This is totally different. One of the concepts that Nietzsche is trying to reconfigure, he's taking the idea of meaningfulness and he's radically altering it. We need a new one because the old one isn't working anymore. What is the old one? The old one is that the point of life is to get into the afterlife. And Nietzsche thinks we need a whole new way to value our lives. What if some day or night a demon were to steal after you into your loneliest loneliness and say to you, this life, as you now live it and have lived it, you will have to live once more and innumerable times more, and there will be nothing new in it? Would you not throw yourself down and gnash your teeth and curse the demon who spoke thus? Or have you once experienced a tremendous moment when you would have answered him, you are a god, and never have I heard anything more divine? Nietzsche thought this was his greatest idea. This is living exactly the same way over and over and over again forever. Some people are horrified by it. Oh my God, I have to go through all that again? Oh, geez, it's horrible. And Nietzsche says, what does that say about the life you've been living if you're horrified at having to go through it again? What kind of life would be the kind that you would embrace this possibility? That you would be exhilarated. You say, yes, yes, once more, again and again and again. And why not live like that? Why aren't you living like that?